HYVA launches the Kitchen Collection Body, a more reliable, safe and efficient collection system. There are two different volume capacity machines, a 4 cubic metre and an 8 cubic metre container volume. The kitchen waste collector is used especially for the collection of restaurant and canteens where a lot of food waste is generated with a high liquid content. Food waste can be collected with a HYVA kitchen waste collector. The special bin lifter lifts vertically and rotates at the top to avoid any spillage or leakage from the bin outside. A special swing packer moves the waste backwards and slightly compacts it. The loaded vehicle with kitchen waste is transported to a food waste treatment plant, where it discharges into the bunker. Two sizes of container are available and can be loaded by a bin lifter. The kitchen waste collection body is constructed out of durable materials and delivers a clean and hygienic collector. It has a dual operating system for efficient collection and includes various features for safe operation. Welcome to HYVA's Waste Handling Solutions.